remember that being the burning engine, that classic sound in the Spitfire. Well, in fact, the Mark 19 displayed for you here is actually being powered by a 36.7 litre Rolls-Royce Griffin engine. Uniquely, the P51 Mustang, a little wide, classic wide to burning engine. Brilliant, more powerful, speed and altitude capability. P51 Mustang. The designs of the start planes really take their lead from both of these aircraft, actually. That design is how they can endure. If it looks right, it flies right. So they were saying that Rolls-Royce Griffin engine giving 4 extra power, extra speed, high altitude, in fact a top speed of 446 miles an hour, which is impressive, and then an operating ceiling of 42,000 feet. PS853 was delivered to the Central Photographic Reconnaissance Unit at RAF Benson on the 13th of January 1945, in Holland. The aircraft was engaged and at that point was placed in storage. Then in 1950 it was one of several Mark 19 Spitfires selected to convert to the Meteorolgical Research for the temperature stability of upper passes flight. And it performed its last flight in that role in 1957. He's then retired, given ceremonial and display duties to the RAF's historic aircraft flight, the forerunner of what is today's Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Squadron Tactical Air Force, bearing the markings P853, war between January and June 1945. Photographic Reconnaissance Squadron, 2nd Tactical Air Force, bearing the markings P853, war between January and June 1945. Become widely recognised as an ambassador for Rolls-Royce during the displays and charity events around the UK. Piloted today by Chris Adlow. Accomplished pilot born in Singapore, who studied transport management and law before graduating and joining the Royal Air Force in 1990. Flown operationally over the former Yugoslavia on Operation Deny Flight. Whilst flying the Jaguar, he was an instructor on both the Hawk and the Alpha jets. During his career, he served as flight commander in both the RAF as well as the French Air Force whilst on expedition. Spitfire ground at spring season. Oh, it's right, here we go, that's P51 Mustang. Piloted by Harrison Williams, State Williams. That beautiful wine of that beautiful Birmingham. Mustang originally designed to use the Harrison V that the American daylight bombing campaign over Europe succeeded only because US fighters were able to defeat the German fighter force. Moreover, US airmen defeated the Luftwaffe not by bombing its aircraft production nor by attacking its fuel supply, neither inflicting any knockdown blows, but by killing its pilots. Ninth Air Force using Berlin Power Mustangs as fighter bombers, which Mustang was for sure Allied air superiority in 1944. After the Korean War, the Mustang was the main fighter of the United Nations.